Howdy.
Yeah, mate.
How you going?
Yeah, good. You can leave the gate open, mate.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, yeah, been wet a few times today.
It's normally open when I come here.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, cheers.
Thanks, mate.
All good. You want me to close it?
Thanks, mate.
All good.
Looking alright, mate? Yeah, it's coming along.
Hello, Rose.
Oh, hello.
How you going?
I didn't realise. Oh, come in. Move that thing.
I haven't seen you in a while.
Now,
You just-
I've got two printers over there. Now, one I'll come over here. Yeah. I've used it, but I put it aside because it wasn't going right, and I bought that one as a replacement. Wrong when they do
Yeah,
that.
that's silly. That's silly.
So I've got the details of that, I think. Oh, I might have them all over there now. I put everything here. And I thought, well, I was going to download some face things, but then when I got onto that, it came up that this one wasn't a registered one. Well, it is definitely, and I put the codes and it's got. I think it's got it on here. They said to tell them, but it says that it's working, but you can't print out in colour.
Yeah, I got you.
So I thought, well, I'm better to get you than worry about it.
Yeah, definitely.
I know you're a busy man.
Yeah, busy man. But I'll get it sorted for you.
Go wrong. That's what it's been doing, and every time I get to that where they finish up telling me, cough up,
Yep.
PIN number, a serial number, and then there's another number. It's right on the back. Well, I've got on my thing on the photos on here. I took a photo of what was on the back.
Oh, the
but
printer.
I copied it off there.
Yeah. Normally with printers, they have an app that you just run it
It
through.
was a really good. It wasn't an expensive printer, but I used to use it easier. But since that, but they keep trying to get the money off me, and everyone tells me, no, you don't pay that.
Yeah, no, you don't.
But is it necessary for me to pay a?
No.
You see,
No recurring
this
payments
here
for
should have
For your phone's fine to print off. You can print off your phone if you like, but we'll get your laptop. Is that off?
There's,
Yeah, what's off?
I use that mouse. So what's that?
That's just the printer app on your phone.
And
So you can hop out of that if you want to.
I can print off there.
That's what I'll set up now. I'll connect it now for you.
A lot of this stuff, do you?
Yeah, a lot of printers. A lot of printer connections, issues. Like a lot of people are having trouble with printers. So yeah, I get this a lot. Go photos.
And you took that off mine, did you?
No, not yet.
But I've been handling everything pretty good, really.
Yep.
Apart from that, but especially now with getting this heritage. Oh yes. That's no. Yeah. Well, that was the best printer. I found that better than the other one.
Now we will restart the computer.
Now, is it nearly finished or not?
Yep, so once this restarts, if the password, if it doesn't ask me for a password, then it's
What do I
due.
owe you?
My standard call out's 120.
That right?
Yeah, that is, thank you. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Well, I thought I'd just as better get you than a new. I thought of getting a new printer. Really appreciate it.
That's all good. That's all sorted. The printer prints in colour, it's all connected.
Oh, I don't have to put the password.
No, disable the
Take
password.
that off.
Yep, I disabled the password for you.
Okay. Thank you very, very
That's
much.
all good.
Hope I don't see you for another month.
Yeah, I mean, if you have any issues, give me a buzz. I'm floating around all the time.
I thought it was better to do that. I thought of getting a new printer, and then I thought, well, where in the heck am I going to put that?
Yeah.
Actually, I had that HP outside
Yep.
for about a month.
Yep.
And then I thought, no, if I can get that fixed, but I did have some new cartridges. So it cost me $195 just for the cartridges for those two.
Jeez, okay. Yeah, you're better off buying a new printer. $195 for just cartridges. Inkjets are always the way to go. Inkjets, they're like bottles of ink and you pour them in. More so than the cartridge printers. You know.
Well, that's what I thought. Well, I'd had them, so I put the last ones in there.
Yeah.
So I'll wait for a while before I order some more.
Yep, sounds good.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you very, very much.
That's all right. Reach out if you need me.
Bye.
All right, take care.